Am I dying? Is this too hot to wear? No, I think it's fine. Hi guys, welcome. The look that I'm gonna do today, I did a couple days ago on a whim and it worked. So we're gonna lean into it, try to recreate it with a little bit more pizzazz and see what happens. My new thing is to do my eyebrows first because that is the thing that takes me the longest because I'm a freak about my eyebrows. Eyebrows are already done. I used the Benefit Precisely Eyebrow Pencil in 4.5, the brow microfilling pen in deep brown, and the 24-hour brow setter gel in clear. So basically the same thing I use every time because it comes out right. Where shall we begin? We're using a couple different palettes to create a look. I'm also going to do that contour trick that we did the last time because I like the way that turned out. I'm going to start with this palette, Hip Dot Zion Pressed Pigment Palette. And I'm going to start with the color Maze right here, mostly on the outer corner because it does have an oranginess to it. The color from the same palette, the color Canyon. Does that say Canyon? I don't have my glasses on. Canyon, I think that's the one. This one. A Naked brush. I'm gonna take the Naked by Urban Decay Honey palette, and I'm going to use the color Sting down here on the end and put that in my crease, just in my crease. I guess that's all right. So I took a little bit of this color Flyby from the Naked palette and just put it on the arch of my brows a little bit so that it didn't seem so harsh. So the last piece, so this is like a really, when I first did this, it was a really simple eye look and it was fun and fast and added a little something something. Now I was trying to make it more a thing and I'm crossing into dangerous territory here. In an effort to not make this whole face a waste, we're gonna stop and move on to the next stage of the eye. You know what I'm saying? Also from the Naked Honey palette, I am taking the color Amber, this one, on a little tiny brush. And I'm gonna pop it in here. Some people do this with their fingers. I wish I could. I can't get in there with my nails. Too long. I'm making buffalo chicken dip for New Year's. I'm really excited about it. What are you guys doing for New Year's? Anything good? I hope everyone's staying home. And now I'm going to take the color Honey, this kind of brighter yellow gold, and layer that on top. I'm pretty sure this is what I did last time, but we'll see. So the Honey color I put in there, but I didn't drag it. Like the Amber color I kind of dragged out a little bit. The Honey color I'm doing a little bit more concentrated in one spot so that it's like a sunset. Ooh, cool, how fun. I am going to take that color that I used, Sting, on a flat brush, and do a little bit on the bottom of my eye. Face. We're gonna do that trick that we learned, contour under foundation. If you are going to try that, your makeup should match. For example, if you're using powder foundation, you should use powder contour, and vice versa. If you're using liquid foundation, you should use liquid contour, because I think if you mix, they're gonna get muddy and look gross and maybe not blend so nicely. For my pre-foundation contour, I'm going to use the Fenty Matchstick Trio because I'm really liking it. I think I'm going to go even heavier than I did last time. Let's see what happens. I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. I can look crazy. It's just for you guys. I feel like I look like the Day of the Dead, like a skeleton, or remember the Queen of Hearts? I feel like I could have just made, if I had brought the brown. Let them eat cake. Nope. Marie Antoinette. I'm all over the place. Last time it was Mariah Carey. All I Want for Christmas Is You. I got it now. This takes so long. It looks good, but it takes forever. right, this time I'm also going to try to not blend it out too much because I think I did last time. So some of the impact of the contour before foundation was lost, I think. One time I was a sugar skull for Halloween, Day of the Dead, whatever. I think, yeah, I don't know. I guess it wasn't a sugar skull because it wasn't that pretty. I feel like sugar skulls are like pretty and colorful and everything, and I was not. My costume was good, but I just don't feel like I was very pretty. Switching sides to do the highlighter side of things. I mean, not highlighter. What is this lighter color called on my face? Concealer. What are you doing? Or what did you do, I should say, for New Year's Eve? I hope it was smart and inside. My buffalo chicken dip's done. BRB. Stay hydrated. That buffalo chicken dip smells fuego. Okay, we're here. We're leaving it a little darker. Still looking a little cray, but on purpose to now put foundation on top. I am using for foundation the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation, liquid foundation. I think it's called Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the color 210. This foundation is a little bit more full coverage, so I think no matter what, it's gonna cover up a lot of the contour that I did. Guys, it worked again. So at this point I can't tell. I mean, I guess you can kind of see it. Yeah. That's the trick, man. Foundation after contour. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer, a little extra. Read all the freaking about it. Not a lot. Just to add a little bit of extra. Because I like it like that. If I didn't have to wear a mask when I go to work, I would wear a face like this, like a full face. Because it comes out real nice, but there's just no point anymore. It's all gonna come off on the mask. Wow, this is coming together. I'm going to use the, what am I trying to say? I'm gonna set my under eye and forehead probably with the one size setting powder in translucent. I've been trying to not bake because I don't think that it's always necessary, but there's a lot of makeup today, so I'm gonna let it sit for a minute before I wipe it off. I'm going to put on some bronzer, the Aesthetica, what did I say? Did I say bronzer? I meant bronzer. Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Swirly, swirly. Do I look bronze? All right. That came out pretty nice. Guys, I think I'm getting better at this. Eyeshadow is still a little questionable, but face, wow. Okay. Just gonna wipe this off, whatever excess there may be there. For blush, we're using my very favorite, the Tarte. I can't get it open. Oh, okay. Tarte Party. Do I make this face? Do I look a little weird? Do I look a little weird? We're using the Ofra Bliss highlighter, my fave. Get your sunglasses out. I'm here to blind ya. I'm putting on eyelashes. Taking Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Cruella. This is so janky looking. Oh my gosh. Nars, Cruella. So I've lined with Cruella, and now I'm feeling like it's a little bit too pink. NYX, or NYX, I don't know which one it's supposed to be, Matte Lipstick Rouge. I think that the color is MLS05. Nope, that's the type. This is called Indie Flick. Indie Flick. These two colors don't really go. I look like a freaking box of crayons right now. Oh, that actually kind of worked. Something fun and bold. It is New Year's after all. Wow, that actually worked out well. Look at that. So, what do we think? Oops. This is what I would look like if I was to go out on New Year's Eve. But I'm just gonna go sit on my couch and eat buffalo chicken dip instead. But this came out kind of cool and different. What do you think? Happy New Year's to me. This came out all right. My eyelashes don't want to agree with me, but everything else does. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts. Tell me what you think of this look. I think it came out kind of cool for, this was supposed to be like a, just everyday with a little bit of glitz, but this might be a little bit too much for an everyday. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you all had a lovely New Year and you stayed safe and continue to stay safe. And I hope everyone has a really wonderful and blessed 2021. I really hope that this year is a lot better than last year. I'm not going to be that person, but new year, new us, right? Comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. I guess that's all I got. I hope that you all enjoyed, and I hope that you have a great weekend ahead. And I can't wait to see you guys in the new year. New year, new us.